haven't been using AI to simplify your life, what are you even doing? Especially in the world of podcasting. There are just so many little repetitive tasks that could just be so easily managed if you just had a little help. We're going to look at how video podcasting software is using AI to revolutionize the podcasting world as we speak, and helping to make those repetitive episode over episode tasks just a little bit easier. In this video, we'll be featuring Riverside, not only because we're a little biased, but also because Riverside is leading the video podcasting game with AI integration. But what exactly is AI? It's a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning, reasoning, problem solving, and understanding natural language. In the realm of podcasting, AI is not just a convenient tool, it's the future. By automating repetitive tasks, enhancing content quality, and providing insights that were previously hard to obtain, AI is turning ordinary podcasters into extraordinary content creators. AI's integration with platforms like Riverside is not merely an upgrade, it's a game changer. The first video podcasting task that you can expect to be made easier with Riverside is transcribing your episodes. Including transcriptions with your podcast episodes is an incredibly smart move that offers a ton of benefits. Transcriptions make your content accessible to the hearing impaired, which broadens your audience reach. Search engines can index the text, boosting your SEO. For listeners who may want to reference a particular segment or quote in the episode, transcriptions provide an easy way to find specific information without having to listen to the entire episode again. Plus, they offer a convenient alternative for those who prefer reading or might be in a setting where listening to audio is not feasible. Riverside has created a fast and easy way to transcribe your episodes online using AI. Simply take the audio file or the video file, but this process will be much quicker with an audio-only file because it's a smaller file size. Head to riverside.fm/transcription, I'll link that in the description, and simply upload your episode file. Riverside will use AI to transcribe your episode in a matter of minutes, and this works in over 100 languages. Once it's transcribed, you can download both SRT and text format. You can also copy the full transcription to your clipboard to paste elsewhere. Now, if you record your episode on Riverside, the platform will use AI to automatically transcribe your episode. You can simply delete mistakes or ramblings or parts that you want deleted out of the episode by highlighting that part in the text-based editor and pressing delete on your keyboard. That will be reflected in the timeline, and that part will be removed from your final episode. Our AI transcriptions have also made it easy for you to add captions in just one click. Simply head to Captions along the top toolbar, and you can add captions to be burned into your episode and design them to match your branding. Our Magic Tools feature uses AI to automatically remove all silences from your recording. You can also use AI Speaker View. AI will automatically switch cameras based on who is speaking, allowing the content to be more visually dynamic for the viewer. When you go to export your video podcast, you'll have the option to let AI normalize audio levels and remove background noise. Now, remove background noise works best with a noise that is consistent, like an air conditioner or a dryer, rather than a noise that's inconsistent, like traffic. When you return to your recordings, you'll see an option for magic clips. This is one of our most powerful features. Based on your AI-generated transcription, Riverside will find the most informational and informative parts of your episodes and turn them into clips optimized for social media platforms. Once those clips are generated, you can use the editor to trim the clips if needed, and design the clips using the design tools along the top menu. In just one click, you have tons of content that you can share on social media platforms, which in itself saves you hours of editing time. And this is just the beginning. Riverside has a whole team of people dedicated to constantly improving the platform and leveraging AI to make your life more simple. So follow our channel to be notified of new platform updates, as well as any podcasting and video content creation advice you may need. If you're really into the world of AI right now, here's a great video to watch next that will help you boost all aspects of your podcast workflow using AI. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And before you go, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss another video from Riverside. Thanks for watching this one. I'm Bridget, and I'll see you in our next one.